In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the business card PDF template to customize your Mr. Duct Cleaner business cards for use with PS Print and other printing services. Please note, the front layout of the business card is not compatible with Vistaprint. The first step is to download the zip file and uncompress it on your local hard drive. Next, using the free Adobe Reader, open the file named MDC_front_print_ready.pdf. With the file opened Adobe Free Reader, you will notice text boxes where you can enter your custom, personal information. In the first box, you will type your first and last name. In the second box, you will enter your franchise location. For example, Mr. Duct Cleaner Los Angeles. In the third box, enter your local phone number. This can be your cell phone number or a landline. In the fourth box, enter your Mr. Duct Cleaner assigned email address. Once you've completed the 4 text boxes, go to File, Save As, and select the location on your hard drive where you would like to save the file. The other file located in the zip file that you downloaded contains a PDF file for the artwork on the back of the business card. This is ready to upload to your printing service and requires no modification. Again, the front of the business card is not compatible with Vistaprint's upload interface and will fail. However, psprint.com is 100% compatible and comparably priced with Vistaprint. Both files should be compatible with many other printing services, including local print shops.